Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so breakout 59, it's gonna go to 54. That's 5 points that we're gonna make on this breakout, and this is a destination, 54. All right, the target is 44, so that's 10 more points, right? So we are on the break of 59, right? To 44, 15 points, right? All right. So that's what we're expecting. That's what we're looking for. That's what we want on this trade. Remember, the 63, 64 resistance. It's very important. We have to see how it breaks. If it breaks, and then we'll make a decision as to whether we need to change hats to bull. All right. Remember what I told you, right? 64, right? Smart money is gonna be looking to take the weak bears here, 64, right? And then we have to see how it's taken to see if there is a change in direction. Alrighty? Okay. Okay, so that entry short 64 was beautiful, right? Okay, but we have to be really careful because this move up, this bounce off of 55 all the way to 65, this 10-point move up, they are real. So sure, we're short 64 right here, and beautiful, right? The best risk reward ratio entry, but this move is pretty real, so I'm not counting on this recoil to continue going down. So we're gonna be in a chop now. Okay, all of this just the wave. In other words, this wave, my friend, is not bearish anymore. It's a snake. Okay, so watch out. Yeah, sure. So right, entry 64, 61. That's 3 points in 3 seconds. That's pretty good. But again, the old forecast, the one that we were expecting, we just had a terrific, beautiful entry short 64, right? That's why we can play around here a little bit. Look at that, 3 points in our favor, and price trying to get back up, because remember what I told you, we need to see how the price breaks 63. And depending on that, we'll know if we have to change hats. So, all right, so we know that we still have 66 and 64 entry short, beautiful. We know that we still have 66, like 66 is a double top. But a lot of people don't know this. These 10-point bounds are a little bit stronger than our system says that there's gonna be a fight right here, 59, 66, all right? These 7 points right here, remember the wave, 7 point, 59, 66. Yes. Now it's no longer bearish. That's my point. Okay, it's no longer bearish. All right, so it's gonna be tough, this action right here. All right, so the bears are back. We are beginning to have reasons to believe that our original forecast it's going to happen, not without a fight though. Okay, all right, so we like this drop all the way to where, gee, the low of our wave, right? 59. Of course it's 59. I just told you 30 seconds ago. We're gonna be in a chop, 59, 66. So remember what I told you a couple of minutes ago. The bears, our forecast that the bears are the ones in control, was beginning to come back, and then we had this beautiful drop. We know 59 is going to stop it because it's the low that we're playing, right? So what's going on right here at 59, everybody? Those of us who took a shot, razor sharp entry, short 64, we're looking here 59 because we know that this is going to be a tough open. That's all there is to it. So we're looking 59 stop break even, and then because we trade the future, and we measure what the price is going to do, then we're back. The bears are back, and now we're back to our original read that it is 59 that was going to be taken, and then we have to go to 54. We haven't tested 54, which is a destination. Okay, so break of that 54, we're good. 10 more points down to 44. So let it ride. Okay. All right, so we're gonna bring the squeeze 2 points to 70. All righty. Okay. All right, so this short right here, 66, the high of our wave, right? The high of our wave, working nicely. Remember that I moved the squeeze up a couple of points to 70. All right, so that's still there. So we once again have a razor sharp entry short again, and we're gonna have to continue doing the same thing that we've done all along. We didn't go long 59 because we were expecting the price to take that 59, so we didn't go long, right? All right, but we continue shorting our resistances. This is exactly, ladies and gentlemen, what I was talking about. This is exactly, this thing is not moving rhythmically. Alrighty, so watch out. Okay. All right, so that's what we believe, right? That the price is now going to 88. Okay, 10 more points from here. 88. That's what we believe is going to happen. Okay, right. Okay, so remember the squeeze, right? The squeeze 70. Okay, so we have the ISM breaks our squeeze, right? It comes right back down at this point. Of course, we change hats to bull when the price took our 63, right? 64. Look the way it took it. Boom, right? And then it pulls back to our 63, and this is confirmation that direction change to bull, of course, right? But we didn't go long 59, all right? Otherwise, we'll be so happy right now. No, we're just managing our trades, and we believe now that the price is going to continue to 88.15, and that's not going to be an easy ride. And we can easily change direction back to bearish anytime. We all know that. All right, but we have to go with what our system tells us. So our job now is to figure out if this is a temporary recoil, and yes, it is. So 88 back burner. All right, I'm not expecting this little high right here, 80, to be taken anytime soon. As a matter of fact, I'm expecting this recoil from 80 to take the price all the way to 70, and then we take it from there. Okay, so this is a tough morning. This is a tough open session, no question about it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, back to 70. I told you we're gonna put the 88 in the back burner. This 80 right here, I told you it's gonna go down 10 points to 70. This is support right here. Everybody can see that, but it's gonna continue going down. All right, this is a hangover. This recoil right here, this setup, is what we call a handover. When I told you 80, price is not gonna take 80, it's gonna go to 70, 10 points. That's a handover. It's a bearish handover to 70. Okay, and and yes, sure, 70 is support, of course. Are you kidding me? Aggressive traders are, of course, buying 70. All right, good. You know, I don't blame him. You know, look at that beautiful bounce off of 70, 74, right? Not bad. Okay, so short term, yes. Buy now. It's okay to buy 70, right? However, I want you to know that the short 80 is stronger than this long 70. Alrighty? Just so that you know, it's very important that we know that. This long 70 right here is a add to a winner of the current uptrend. I understand that. But 80 won't be taken. All right? So our short here, 78, when we knew that the price was going to go all the way to 70, gave us 9 points. All right, terrific. And I'm expecting 70 to be taken. So it is 70, the one that's going to be taken, not 80. So our handover short here, 78, is going to take 70 all the way back to alrighty, to 60 here, the mid-range between 64 and 66, 65. So the short handover that we took here at the high is going to win the battle. Boom! Just like I've been telling you, it's going to take 70. And of course, 66 is going to be a little bit of support. And of course, 66, 64. So we're going to make it the mid-range 65. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so price goes to our ideal entry, 78, sure, right? 78, 80, sure. And we're going with our forecast that it is 70, the one that is going to be taken before the low before the high 80. So price goes up all the way to 78, 79. It shakes out the weak bear. We salivate because we believe that that the price is first gonna take 70, right, and give us 65. It's not gonna be easy. It tried to take 70 here 10 minutes ago. It went all the way to 68 and then it recuperated. Smart money takes it up to take all the stops of the weak bears, those that had no idea that the odds were that the price was going to take 70, not 80. A lot of traders were scared. Oh my God, this is real. It's going to continue going up. They had no idea that those were not the odds. The odds, it's taking 70. So the higher the price goes and the closer it gets to our high of our range, 10-point range, 70, 80, then the better the risk-reward ratio for us is going to be. Because we want to ride this baby all the way to target 165. Target 1. All right? Okay, so let's continue managing it. All right, so we don't want the price to take this high right here because we know it's going to go to 88. Here it is, 88, right? That's it. So those of us who took a shot short here, 80, the one that I've been telling you all morning long, that's it. We need this thing to go right back down again to 70 and then finally break it. Already did. Our short here, 78, 80, broke 70. It went all the way to 68, a couple of points only, so it wasn't a clean break. And then bam, and then it broke it, and it went almost to our target 1, which is the high of our target 1 is 66, and the low is 64, so the mid-range is 65. We didn't get it. Price went to 66 and change right here. Recuperate, goes back here to 80. It gives us another entry short. Nice, razor sharp entry, goes right back down. But we know that the bulls are the ones in command. And we know that now that the odds are that it'll continue going to 88. That's it. Okay, so let's see. So repeat, 88 is target 1 for the 70 breakout, and 98 is target 2. Okay, market reveal itself, and our job is now to let it ride. Right, ladies and gentlemen, so we have to change hats again, of course. Right, look at this fatty 86, right? Back to our 70, right? 70. Remember that we've been all this time that we've been bearish. We wanted the price to go to our 64, 66. It only went to 65, so we missed our target one by 1 point. We go long 70, and now what's going on? Look at this break. Well, all right. So look at this fatty right here, right? 86. Where do you think price is gonna go? To our original target 66, 64. Okay, so look at it. Isn't this our target one for the short? 64, 66, mid-range, 65. Look at it. Price tumbles 20 points. It goes exactly to where we've been saying that the price got to go there eventually. It goes there, recuperate, and look at the bounce. Look at it. Okay, so here's our target one right here, 64, 66, mid-range 65. Totally, completely done, right? What is this? Of course, this is support, right? So what do we expect? Another bounce like this? Well, not really, because remember what I told you. Now below us, below our 65, right? Then below 65, the price is going to be looking to go all the way to 57. And remember our 44? Boom. 44. Alrighty?